Hey guys, welcome here back to Tech Talks for you again. In this video we will see all specifications of Realme C12. Realme launch consistently new phones with smart features in reasonable price to increase their business daily after launching Realme 7 Pro. Now, Realme decided to launch Realme C12. Realme C12 is speculated to be launched in the country on November 4, 2020. Unofficial, Realme C12 smartphone price in India is likely to be 8,499 rupees, which is going to be best budget phone. As per specification here, you can find 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and you can expand storage up to 252GB external memory. For PERFORMANCEMediaTek Helio G35 is present, display size 6.52-inch with 720x 1600 pixels resolution. Display type is IPS LCD, where water droplet notch is available. According to rear camera setup, where 13-megapixel primary camera and 2-megapixel depth camera, 8-megapixel on front camera. Highlight point of these phone is their battery, which is 6000 mAh with quick charging, which is more powerful at this price. So these are the specifications of Realme C12 phone. You can this specification in detail in description box below.